Hi everyone, I'm Simantini, and right now I am here with Ram Ganesh at the Woodbridge community in Redmond in front of Sangeeta and Shree's peaceful abode, which is right now not so peaceful. Can you hear this loud music happening inside? Exactly, the music rehearsal is happening right now. And shh, these guys are not even aware that we are here to capture some snippets of their practice sessions. So let's go inside and find more about it. By the way, Atul, last year there was a rumor, and I thought I would see you here this time sing. By the way, Dosto, friends also know him as a good singer. So, how is your singing coming along, Atul?
My singing, it's a big mystery. I'm, it's a lot of competition in the band. It's very hard, and I picked up some steam this year. I got a entry level position in the chorus department, and hopefully, if I get lucky next time, I might get a line or two in a group song, and you know, and then if maybe मैं थोड़ा सा मक्खन लगाऊंगा अगर संगीता और मधु को तो I might get a duet maybe 2-3 years after this. So I'm keeping my finger crossed and hopefully you'll see me on the stage with the mic.
Hi, Sriram. Describe yourself, sportsman or musician. Which one do you like the best?
Sportsman at heart and I love music.
Jeet, do you want to say something to our audience?
Sure. By the way, hi, I'm Abhijit Kargudri. We have all worked really very hard to put the show together. Hope you guys are having a blast and enjoy the show.
Gaurav, I've heard you sing almost every kind of Hindi songs in the last 6 years. Right from foot tapping number to O Maji, and of course, how can I forget your classical concerts? Where do you see the connection and how do you feel about it?
I mean, it's basically I like both kinds, and the two forms of music help me improve the other. Each form helps me improve the other. Classical helps me perform light better, light helps me perform, add more feeling to classical.
Do you have any special message for the budding singers in the Seattle area?
Have a teacher, record yourself, be your own teacher. First of all, wake up the teacher inside you, inside yourself, and critically evaluate your own singing, and try to improve yourself through that.
Dosto, Nan has been an active listener and a participant in many rehearsal sessions when he was just 5. Besides winning multiple awards and recognition in the field of music, Nan is skilled in playing various musical instruments. Nan, please tell us more about your musical journey.
So, I started playing drums and stuff when I was 2 years old, and because my mom would always sing, she was always there, I'd always want to kind of hang out with her and play with her, so that's how I kind of got started in music. And then my parents saw that I had some ability, so they got me some lessons. I started playing piano, I started playing drums, and I discovered that I really loved playing them. I've had some success in those areas, but I found that I really loved music. So I started playing piano, I started playing drums, and then because I really loved music, I started learning other instruments as well. I started playing the bass, a little bit of guitar, some tabla and stuff like that. I'm not very good at those, but I'm working on it. Anyways, that's basically it.
How old are you, Nan?
I am 17.
So Raja, tell us more about your involvement with the group. How long have you been playing with this group?
Well, I've been playing since with Algorithm since 2004, kind of on and off. Played probably like 4 or 5 years now. I pretty much play with Algos. I always played keyboard. It's one of the harder departments because you basically have to do a lot of programming to get all of the. I mean, you have in the keyboard like 64 keys. You have to fit like every interlude, every instrument there is on a song in that pattern, and have to get as close as possible to the original. So it kind of takes a lot of juggling around to get the right tunes and stuff. That's what I've been doing with the group since 2004.
It's good to see you, Rajesh, active and busy in the music scene in this area. Tell us more about how you motivate yourself and keep up this good work.
Well, I moved from Chicago and it's basically the passion for music and the kind of musically rich bands that are available in Seattle area. Okay, this year I did around 12 to 15 shows.
Wow.
A lot of different varieties of music, different languages. Playing for.
And what would those languages be like?
Okay, I played for Marathi, I played for Telugu, I played for Tamil, I'm playing for Malayalam, and of course the Hindi is always there.
Sanjeev, then everyone knows you in this area, and I hear that you were one of the coordinators this year. Can you tell us more about how you guys decide what songs to do?
So based on the feedback and response from our past shows, so we have a format in the sense that out of 24 numbers, we have to keep at least certain number of very danceable songs, certain number of melodious songs. So having a right mix of songs is important. Now at the same time, we have to take care of the individual performance choice as well. And oftentimes, people have very contradicting choices. So some songs, some people like it very, very much, and some others don't like it at all. So it's a kind of balancing thing. Yeah, obviously we cannot make everyone happy, but we want to try to make the audience happy. I think that's.
Samarth, so first show in the Seattle area. How is their experience so far?
Well, first of all, I'm very new to Seattle. I mean, work brought me here, and then Pratidwani's Meri Awaaz Suno happened, and I happened to win that. And then these guys invited me to join the band, and ever since it was a phenomenal experience. I mean, these are seasoned musicians, so come and meet them every week and then practice. It was an amazingly fun learning experience. The whole process of coming together, choosing so many songs and taking everybody's input, programming the practice sessions, and then practice, refine, and fine-tune all the songs. So it was an amazing learning experience. So I'm loving it.
So how long have you been singing or learning music?
I've been playing the guitar since I was 7 years old. So it's been a long time since I've been playing the guitar. So.
And finally, here is a cool dude of the band, Shri Bode. Shri is an amazing guitarist and has been the show coordinator for this year as well. Let's hear from him what he has to say about coordinating the show.
आपने सही फरमाया, हर साल कोई अलग अलग व्यक्ति ये रोल निभाता है, तो इस साल मैं और संजीव दा कोऑर्डिनेटर है. कोऑर्डिनेटर का रोल कुछ फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से आप तुलना कर सकते हैं कि हीरो और हीरोइन, यहाँ तो सभी हीरो और हीरोइन है, सभी से डेट्स लेनी होती है, सभी को शूटिंग लोकेशन पे लाना होता है और फिर रिलीज़ होती है. तो इस साल कई समस्याएं आती है कभी कभी. जैसे इस साल शो के दिन करवा चौथ था, ये हमें काफ़ी देर से पता लगा, शो के बस 1 महीने पहले पता लगा, लेकिन कुछ निर्णय लेने होते हैं, सभी समस्या सुलझाई नहीं जा सकती है. तो जो लोग नहीं आ सके करवा चौथ के कारण से, उनसे हम माफ़ी चाहते हैं. बट द शो मस्ट गो ऑन. हम आपके लिए सब अच्छा शो हो, ये पूरा प्रयास करते हैं, और प्रेक्षक लोग हमें हमेशा काफ़ी सपोर्ट देते आ रहे हैं. सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट.
So Vivek, you perform with many bands and known as a real fun guy.
I came to Seattle 10 years ago, 2001, and I've been in Microsoft, work at Microsoft like pretty much most of the band. And I play drums in Algorithms and Shruti, which is another Desi band which we play in the spring. And other than that, I have 2 kids, keep me busy. That's about it.
So दोस्तों, ये रहे हमारे top talents in the Puget Sound area. This is Simi with our cameraman Ram Ganesh signing off from Woodbridge community here in Redmond.